Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to hard reset the OPPO A5s phone. For that, first we have to turn on the phone. We will press the power button and hold it. Then we will press and hold the power button and the volume down button together. After coming this logo, we will release the finger from power button and hold volume down. In this situation, we will release the finger from volume down button. Need to click English and here more option, but you will not press this option, you will press disk check. Press OK and then we need to press with data and format data. OK. Now press OK. The phone will be restarted. Language setup. Select the language and continue. Select your country and OK. Continue. If you want to log in with Gmail, then you need to have cellular data and Wi-Fi connected. If you don't want to do that, then skip. I will do both and show you. Here I will give Gmail ID and password. After pressing this option, you will get a restore option. If you don't need, you will press don't restore and press agree. Gmail login OK. Press the back button to go back and turn off cellular data and Wi-Fi connection. After closing the connection, an interface like this will appear. You will forward. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.